I'm Dominique Drummond. I'm a project worker and advocate at NYAS Cymru. The reason that I started working with children and young people was because of me growing up in care and the experience that I had. None of my opinions were put forward and stuff, and I didn't feel very empowered.
In the time that I've known Dom, she's grown hugely. She continually empowers people to know their rights and the rights for their children.
When you grow up in care, like a lot of the times you don't have that village that a lot of people have when it takes to raise a child. So I have fitted washing machines, I've shaved down doors to make sure they fit properly, I've done some decorating, anything that my young person needs from me really.
Dominique has been really helpful with helping me be more confident in my parenting. I think the fact that she was in foster care and then I was in foster care helps us connect a lot as well.
I've always wanted to change the systems that I lived in, but as a child you can't really do that, so you've got to grow into the change that you want to see.
As a rising star, I believe that Dom's going to be the next Child Commissioner for Wales.
A lot of the Children's Commissioners that we've had in the past hasn't really got the personal experience that a lot of the young people and children that they're advocating on behalf of have got.
Dom, you've honestly done amazing, and you out of everyone definitely deserve this award, so well done.